This is IKEA's shoe cabinet, which is the one of the best shoe organizer that I ever found. I already got 2 installed, and these are 2 more. The good thing about them, they are very thin and they are stackable. This is one storage. It opens like this. And you can stack them. So in this video we will install these 2 and we'll show you how they will look. They're called they call them Trones. This is the user manual. I will link it at the end of the video. And yeah, pretty much it looks like this. And show you closer look. As you can see at the bottom, we have this edge that sits perfectly on the other one, like so. Or you can put them side by side. You can take this out. This is the storage. That's the storage area. That's how much you can get. It's not big, but for one person this one is enough. So we need 4 screws to be screwed on the wall, and let's do that now. So these are the 2 ones that we already have installed like 3 years ago, maybe around 3 years ago, and they work very well. As you can see, they are neat, and I left space here for 2 extra in case we need it in the future, and that's what we're gonna do today. So that's the good thing, they can stack like this. So yeah, first I need to mark where to put the screws or the nails, whatever. Screws, most likely. And we will do it now. Now what I need to do now is to mark the holes. The easiest way is to use a black spray to spray, and so you can see it on the bricks, but I don't have any black spray left, so I need to get a pen or something, marker, and mark the holes on the brick, then remove this, drill, and fix them later. It's very easy. Okay, I will use this marker, and if it doesn't work, which is most likely, I will use just a simple brush and just water paint to mark the bricks. Okay, these are the marks. What I need now to drill, make a hole. And when you mark, try not to use a color that's similar to the background. I used white in the beginning, but it was hard to locate because we already have white dots everywhere, so I used blue instead. I fixed it with 3 screws instead of 4 because this is going nowhere. These are the original holes. I made an extra hole here, the original hole. And here you have it. Thank you for watching.